We are looking at how to pronounce this name from French. It means literally slow dance. I think there are some handbags that have been named that way. How do you say it though? For reference, in France it is said as danse lente. Danse lente. It'd be fine in English to say it as danse lente. Well, there's no really any other way of saying it, is it? Danse lente is how you want to say it. Danse lente. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Are you able to pronounce it? One way or another, let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names and words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.